you didn't know? Starting with their smash hit Grand Theft Auto 3, Rockstar Games has always managed to court controversy with every release. Even Rockstar Games Presents Table Tennis was lambasted on release by then Republican Senator Rick Santorum, who claimed the movement of the paddles was highly arousing. However, there is another controversy that occurred during the production of Red Dead Redemption, when in order to capture the realistic sound of people getting shot, the developer set up a recording booth and shot their own employees. A whistleblower disgusted by the company's action sent hard drive those tapes.
Hey, Jim, did we get that? Yeah, levels were a little off on that one. Can we do another take?
Dan, I'm really...
I need more emotion. Again.
Dan.
Oh, well, shit. Well, at least we can use the sound file for when a player repeatedly shoots a dead person.
Wow. After arousing suspicion from local authorities due to a 500% increase in the mortality rate at Rockstar North offices, the studio was forced to alter their game development process, but refused to give up their famous attention to detail. This recording session is from late 2008 following those changes.
Okay, according to my lawyer, I need you to shoot yourself.
Just tell him to use the gun.
Sorry, I meant to say there is a gun next to you, and you can do with that information whatever you wish. I swear, Mr. Hauser, I was reading that pamphlet about unions. I didn't have any bad intentions. Now why did you have to go and do that? Partner, I'm closing the wound. This man has shot himself.
This is very legal.
Perfect, that's a wrap.
Amazing. When news of this infamous recording session leaked to the press, Dan Houser released the following statement. Rockstar Games employees are the best in the world because they voluntarily sacrifice their well-being to create a masterpiece that will be remembered until our next masterpiece comes out and immediately makes the previous masterpiece obsolete. Wow, what line won't Rockstar Games cross? My name is Chloe Dykstra, and this was You Didn't Know. Join us next time as we explore the tragic history behind E4, the Electronic Entertainment and Equine Expo.